how to increase download speed on Ubisoft Connect. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing that I want you to do is head into the task manager of your Windows or any system that you are using. Once you're inside the task manager, you will see every single app that is currently running on your device. So how to identify the issue here? You have to go into the performance tab, and here you will see the CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi and GPU. Click on the Wi-Fi and then click the three dotted icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select the resource monitor. Here we will see the network, which is in the fourth tab. I want you to click the network and focus on network activity. As you can see, these are the applications currently using the Wi-Fi network. Select every single application here and click on End Process. And that's it. So that's basically how you can increase download speed on Ubisoft Connect. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.